Hi everyone, so I've got a little bundle here that I'm going to be popping on my website. It's lace, flowers, ribbon, some beads, and there's a bag here of the little tiny flowers. I'll show you them in a second. So we have, I'll show you the laces first, and then we'll pop on the other bits. Okay, so we've got quite a bit of wide lace here, and some of it has got little tiny sequins in it. I don't think the camera will pick that up, so there's a good length of that. Don't know what they are. and then we have this one here, and again, good length of that. And then we have this one. This is a little bit more of a stiffer lace in comparison to the other ones, but there's a good bit of that. And I'm not sure if you could let tea or coffee dye these, or dye them any colour that you prefer. And another wide piece here. This feels lovely and silky. I hope you can see all that. So there's that. Sitting way too far away from the table there, and I'm wondering why I get backache. Then there's this, and a good bit of that as well. I've just got so much of it, so. And then there's this, there's loads of that. It's like a scalloped-y, that's not even a word, is it? Scallop lace. And there's like that much of that. And then there's this. Now I know that with these I don't particularly like these bits on lace, so what I normally do is I normally trim that off. So there's again a good amount of that. Then we've got some smaller laces, so there's that. And I will fold all them up nicely afterwards. And there's that. Is that side? I haven't got my glasses on. So there's that. And then there's this. It's like a cotton trim. And there's... Sorry if you can hear my fan, but it's very, very hot, so I need the fan on. I've actually only got it on low for the video, and as soon as I finish this it'll be back on blasting, swinging around the place, blowing all my paper everywhere. And then we've got, I don't know how much of this, but it's a white satin ribbon, and it measures 1.5 inches wide, and then there's like an ivory colour, cream ivory colour, that is 1.5 inches as well. So then we have these flowers, and I'm not really sure what these are. They look like little fishing nets to me, but I know they're used in like flower making, like dried flowers and stuff like that. And then we have this. You can take all them apart. You can see all the little stems together. It's a little flower there with a pearl centre, so there's quite a few on there, and there's 2 lots of that. Okay, but that's what it looks like. So there's 2 lots of that. Then there's these. These are quite dimensional, but if you like that kind of thing, I guess you could colour them as well. They're like a, I don't know, they're a fabric. They're not paper, they're fabric, but it's like it's not like a soft fabric, so there's quite a few on there. And then there's these. They're both the same, and you could take all them apart, and you've got the leaves on that one, and there's no leaves on that one, so they could have been used, because I've got these. I didn't buy them myself anyway. Then there's a whole big bit of ivory coloured pearl string. Oh, 2 bits there, something I don't use. Then there's a couple of little bags here. We've got little kind of, I don't know how many's in there, not many, about 5 little peach bowls that have been made up. And then these little tiny flowers. And then these bowls here, I don't know if there's maybe about 7 or 8 in there. Then this big bag, which I'm going to have to tip out because there's hundreds of these, just so you can see they're all different colours of like these flowers, and some of these little triple bowl flower things. I don't know what you call them. So there's a few of them in there, and then there's just like all these different little flowers, all like silky ribbon made flowers. So there's all them as well. Again, something that I want to use. So, and I've just popped them in that bag so they don't run away. Okay, so this little bundle will be over on my website, and you'll find the link for that below. I've got journals on there at the moment as well, if you're interested in journals. And yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching. Bye.